How to download Netflix movies and shows to watch later. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can download Netflix movies and shows so that we can watch them later. So make sure to stick with me till the end. Now if you want to download the shows and movies from Netflix, if you would like to download them later, you can simply open up the Netflix application that you would be able to find here. Then once you launch the Netflix app, you will see this type of interface where you have to simply go ahead and select any of your profiles and then log into your account. Then once you log into your account, if you want to download a certain show, just go to that show's details page. Whether it is a show or whether it is a full movie, you'll find the seasons and the download icon right at the bottom. Or you'll find the option called download right over here. Now if you want to download the whole season, if it is a season, you can select that, then select download all season over right over here. And once you select a certain season that you want to download it will get successfully added to the watch later list. When you come over here and then you go to the download section, and then you'll be able to watch them later. This way you'll be able to download Netflix movies and shows so that you can watch them later. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.